Okay, we're all done with our hoses. That's what it's going to look like. We're testing her out. Now, when you put these hoses on, get a little bit of dishwater solution and a Q-tip. And so as you can see, this is the temperature. 130, 23, 124. $130. Looks like it peaks out at 130 degrees. 130.2. 131. Okay. Peaks out at 131.1 degrees. That's how hot those connections get. These are difficult to put on, I will tell you that. What I did is I got a little bit of dishwater solution there, and my Q-tip's around here somewhere. I got a Q-tip. See, there's my Q-tip there. And, you know, there's the plastic connections down in there. Put a little bit of dishwater solution around them, around these connections and inside the hoses. And that makes it a lot easier to put these in. Then you might have a couple kinks in here. Just squeeze those. You don't want no kinks in your hoses. And this should last for another 4 or 5 years. And I chose to use these clamps instead of the other ones I have. Well, guys, let's give it a shot. We're going to flush this out 2 times. And we're going to try a cup of coffee. Good luck.